Hello everyone, good morning, happy Sunday. Today is June 30th. Oh my god, last day of June. So nag-bake ako ng mung bread kahapon kasi gusto ni Bana yung mung bread. Ayan, tapos may mango, Mexican mango, tapos meron akong boiled egg. Ayan, guys, this is our breakfast for today. This is healthy breakfast for me. Sure, kasi merong mango, tapos protein, tapos meron tayong carbs dyan, tsaka mung bean, it's a protein too. And guys, this is our breakfast for today. Tapos ayan yung sa akin, hindi ko hiniwa yung isa-isa kasi si Bana, para easy for him to grab the mango. Tapos ito pa pala yung aking mung bread, natira na mung bread. Guys, what's your breakfast for today, guys? Yan, padapling kagabi. Dirita ang aming bahay kubo. Kahit munti, guys. Ayan, maliit na bahay kubo. Ayan, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Stay safe, everyone.